Hey guys, it's not the time to sit and wait. It's not the time to wait for January 1 to say, okay, you know what, now I need to start doing something. Now is the time to mentally prepare yourself. Mentally tell yourself, you know what, I got this year coming up. I got 2021. I'm gonna be ready. My body's gonna be ready. My mind's gonna be ready. My family's gonna be ready. My team's gonna be ready. Let them know that you're not gonna sit on the sidelines anymore. Let them know that you're not gonna settle for average. Let them know that you're setting your standards this high. Let them know that it's time to ride. Let them know that if they ain't gonna come with you, they're gonna get left behind. You gotta let them know, man. You gotta let everybody know that you're ready. Let everybody know that you're ready. Now's the time not to sit on the couch and wait and just hope and wait for everything just to magically go back together. You have to make things happen. You have to create opportunities. You are in charge of your life. You are in charge of your actions. Focus on the things you can control. Don't worry about everybody else talking. Don't worry about everybody else's fear. Focus on what you can control. Go out and take action. You know what? Take massive action. You can do it. If you're in the game, if you're ready, if you're gonna commit, because I'm gonna challenge you. If you're ready, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're in the game. Let me know you're ready.